So class 3 grammar. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Okay. So chapter 4 adjectives. So dear children, adjectives tell more about nouns. They are describing words. So adjectives they tell about more about nouns. So it highlights the nouns. So it need to boost the nouns. Okay. So like this also. So it may be they are describing words. So we have learned in the class 2 also. Again just we are learning in the class 3 also. So in different way they are showing. So different way they more about nouns they are called describing. So in different ways they are describing. So in different they are highlighting the nouns. Now using shapes, size or color. Maybe it may be in shape wise, or it may be color wise, or it may be size wise. It is describing. So dear children, now we have examples. She is tall girl. So girl is a noun. A girl is a noun. You see, what type of girl? She is a short girl or tall girl? You see, the tall girl. So girl is she is a tall girl. So it describes, it shows power to the girl. Simply where she is a girl, we are not simply telling you, see, for example, you see, she is a girl. But what type of girl? Black girl, a red girl, or a short girl, or tall girl. So it describes, you see, it shows more power that the girl side. See, she is a tall girl. She is a tall girl. So it describes. Okay. A red rose. Dear children, you see, a rose. It is a color. Rose. But what type of rose? Green. The rose is what type of rose? Is it red rose? Okay, you see. See, red. See, a red rose. The rose is in red in color. You see, red rose. So it describes red. A red rose. Okay, you see. You see, second. We have another example. A round ball. The ball is which type of ball? The ball is what type of size it is? It shows size. You see, a round ball. It shows size. Shape. Okay. So it is a round ball. The ball is there. The ball is always round. So it is a round ball. How is the ball? The round ball. So here a round ball. Okay. For example, we have my sister is tall. For example, we have another example. My sister is tall. My sister is a noun. But what type of, how is the sister? Sister is a noun. But what type of sister? How is my sister? My sister is short or tall? You see, my sister is a tall. See? Tall. It describes the noun from. It boosts it highlights the noun. So, he is a fatty boy. The boy is a fatty boy. Okay. So, fat boy. What type of boy? Fat boy. Boy is there. What type of boy? So, fat boy. The boy is bigger or fat. So, fat boy. So, it describes. So, these are the big things. These are the, so like this fat, tall, red, rose. You see, a big buildings. What type of building? Small buildings, either kacha buildings or pakka buildings. What type of buildings? So, big buildings. You see, big is a describes. A big buildings. So, it describes the nouns. Buildings are nouns. So, big buildings. So, dear children, so these are adjectives tell more about the nouns. So, they are describing describing words. Now let us see, we have some more examples in the book. Page number 30. Page number 30. Page number 30 you see. How are you, exercise you see, think, work in pairs and conduct the conversation twice. Conversation twice. So 2 times. You and your partner will take turns to ask questions. So you will also take turn, your partner will also take turns. So both can ask, each other can ask. So here now you see. How are you bringing the, how are you? How are you bringing the snacks for the party? So, I am bringing them a box. I am bringing them a box. They are giving an or a. You see on this side. So, I am bringing them a box. So, I am bringing them in a box. Okay. I am bringing them in a box. So, first one is in a box. Okay, you write a box. Already box was there. So it is a shape. It is a shape. So they are bringing one shape of in the box. What kind of snacks are you bringing? What kind of snacks are you bringing? Okay, I am bringing. So what? This is sweet snacks. So or sour snacks or salty snacks or sweet snacks. What type of snacks they are bringing? So I am bringing sweet snacks. Second one is I am bringing. Second one is sweet. So this is page number 30. Page number 30. You see. You see. Here thing. Think you see, you will understand. Okay. How many people will be there? So there will be more 100 people. There will be 1000 people. There will be 150 people. There will be many people. How many people will be there? Will be there. It is a future tense. Okay. Will be there. There will be many people. Many, you write. Many. There will be many people. So many. So one is box, a, sweet and many. So these are the, you can fill it in your book. Okay dear children. Now learn words that gives. Now I am reading this one. Okay, this one. Words that give us more details about nouns are called adjectives. So these are called adjectives. So more it brings, so this is called say adjectives. Tall and red, round, big, fat, tall. So these are adjectives. That's what they are telling. Nouns are called adjectives. Uncle Joy is a talented cook. Uncle Joy is a talented cook. The cook is a cook. Actually is a cook. But what type of cook? Is a very talented cook. You see, talented. Talented is a adjectives describing words. So it describes the cook. It shows sometimes is a great man. You say na. Mahatma Gandhi is a Mahatma Gandhi. What type of Gandhi? Is a great. Is a great man. Great Gandhiji na. Great. We say like this. Second one you say he also a very funny man. What type of man? Funny man. Both tamasha man. So that's what very funny. So here also talented. A funny. No, funny man. Okay. So for example, we have some more example. You see, I'll give you. You see here also cold winds. What type of wind? Now wind is blowing. What type of wind is blowing? Cold wind is blowing. You see, cold winds. Cold winds. New book. So dear children, these are things for you to understand. I am explaining you. Okay. So my sister is a car. So fat, fat is a adjective. So it is noun. It is an adjective. This is adjective. This is noun. This is noun form. You see, this is cold. What type of wind? Cold wind. This is a adjective. Adjective. This is adjective. This is a noun. This is a winds. So book. What type of book? It is a old book or what? It is a new book. New book. So it is a new is an adjective. So happy face. What type of face? Black face, red face, dull face, or crying face. What type of face? So it is a happy face. So happy face. So happy is here adjective. Happy is the adjective. Here also see what type of milk? So hot milk. So here it is. The milk is very hot. So hot is here adjective. So those children, we can write it down. These things. Okay. You will get a more and ideas, and we will just go to the adjectives in this sentence give us a better idea about the person we are talking about or talking about. So it gives better ideas for the person, and choose the correct adjectives to complete this paragraph. Page number 31. Page number 31 you see. Page number 31 you see. Correct the video. They have given choose the correct adjectives to complete this paragraph on India. So dear children, something they have given, or we have to fill that suitable word in the blank. Okay. So in the north of India, comma, there are high mountains called the Himalayas. Okay, high mountains in Himalayas in our India. What type of mountains we are having? High mountains we are having. The Himalayas mountains, Himalaya Parvata we call na. High mountains called the Himalayas. In the west side, one finds Thar a hot desert. Okay, the first one is high. High mountains. Okay, high mountains called Himalayas. In west side, you see west side, one finds a hot desert. Hot. Page number 31. This one hot. This one high. This is hot. Okay. Hot desert. The flag of India has how many flags we have? So three. India has three bands and one wheel. Here you see cultures many. You write many languages and cultures. It is the second country after China. Second. So dear children, everything is page number 31. Okay. So page number 31. So first in the blanket you write first one, second blank, third blank, and fourth blank, fifth blank, sixth blank. Then paragraph will finish. Okay, country after China have to have more than 1 billion people. Okay, more than 1 billion people. Okay, so this much is enough for today. So again tomorrow we will discuss more things about the adjectives. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so everything you must write in your copy. This way it is coming for the examination. So we will have revision also, as well as we have to prepare for those things for the examination. Okay, so this much. You see, this is one. Okay. So these things you take really nice.